I'm challenging you to make $10,000 in the next 30 days. And the reason behind that is urgency is the only thing that actually forces people to take real action. Let's face it, most people live their entire lives drifting, waiting for the perfect moment, waiting until they feel ready, waiting until everything lines up perfectly. And you know what ends up happening? They wake up 5-10 years later in the exact same spot, still broke, still unhappy, still telling themselves that one day things won't be different. I'm giving you a deadline because without one, you're just going to keep consuming content like, let's be honest, keep planning, keep researching, and never actually do anything that moves the needle. But let me tell you who I am, just so you know I'm not some random person talking theory. About 5 years ago, I had only $400 to my name. I came from a lower middle class background. I watched my family struggle like my entire childhood, and I spent most of my late teens having to sleep in a fucking basement infested with rats during the hot summers because we couldn't afford any better. I was depressed beyond reason, anxious, I couldn't leave the house on some days, at some point it was for months, and I genuinely didn't see a way out. Fast forward to now, I'm in my early 20s, making up to a few $1,000s a day selling services and consulting online. And I'm not telling you this to brag, because it's pointless. I'm telling you this so you understand I lived the consequences of staying broke, and I also lived the rewards of finally taking massive action. I know both sides of the game. Most people are stuck not because they lack opportunity, not because they're stupid, not because the system is rigged against them. They're stuck because they're too comfortable in their discomfort. Like, let's face it, you hate going to school, or you hate your 9 to 5, you hate the fact that your income barely covers your bills. But a part of you is still comfortable enough to not do anything about it. You know you want more, you know you're capable of more, but familiarity keeps you trapped. You'd rather stay in a situation you know, even if it's slowly killing you, than step into something unknown that could actually change everything, for better or for worse. That is the trap. You retreat to what's familiar, even if that familiarity is destroying your happiness, your potential, and your future, and that of the people that you love. And look, I'm not blaming you, it's human nature. I was the exact same way. Even when I was at my lowest, sleeping in that basement with rats, watching my dad struggle with depression and alcoholism because he hated his life and his financial situation, even when I was miserable and numb and scared, I still wasn't taking enough action. I was stuck in this misery, in this cycle of knowing I needed to change, but being way too afraid to actually do something real. And that's the psychological truth nobody wants to admit. Change doesn't happen when you feel ready, because you never fucking do. Change happens when staying the same becomes unbearable. It's like if you were to touch a hot stove. If the pain isn't bad enough, you'll tolerate it. You'll tolerate the bad job, the low income, the toxic environment. But the moment that pain outweighs the comfort of staying where you are, that's when you finally move. My goal with this challenge is to accelerate that moment for you, so you don't waste another year of your life tolerating mediocrity. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Growing up, I watched my father live with regrets every single day. I saw what dissatisfaction, financial frustration, and feeling trapped can do to a person. It leads to depression, anger, addictions, conflicts, broken relationships, wasted potential. Watching him taught me something crucial. The pain of regret is so much worse than the pain of taking risks, of doing something. Procrastination doesn't just delay success, it ruins lives silently. Every day you wait is another day you're choosing to stay stuck. And the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to break out, because you start convincing yourself that this is just how life is. You start accepting less. You start lowering your standards. You start believing the excuses you tell yourself. So here's what I want you to understand. Urgency creates massive action. Massive action creates results. If two people have the same goal, the one who starts immediately will always beat the one who spends months researching and planning. And I get it, look, I used to be a perfectionist. I used to overthink everything, plan everything. Wait until I knew exactly what to do before I did anything. And you know what that got me? Nothing. My life only changed when I forced myself to act instantly instead of analyzing endlessly. I started taking messy action, failing fast, learning quickly, and adjusting as I went. That's how you actually make progress. Now let me break down the simple 3-step process to making money online, because this is not complicated. Everything boils down to traffic, sales, and service delivery. You need to get your offer in front of people. You need to pitch enough prospects until someone says yes, and then you need to deliver the outcome they paid for. That's it. It's simple, but it's not easy, because it requires discipline, consistency, and training yourself to handle rejection and not fall apart. But the steps are clear, and also they're repeatable. If you can do these 3 things, you can make serious money quickly. Let me show you how selling services or consulting can get you to $10,000 a month fast. If you charge $1,000 to $5,000 per client, you only need 5 clients at $2,000 each to hit $10,000. That's 5 people. Not 500, not 5,000, only 5. And here's what people don't realize. People don't buy products or services. They pay for a transformation. They don't care about your process, your methods, or how hard you work on your side. They care about the result. That's it. If you can help someone lose weight, fix their relationship, overcome their anxiety, or grow their business revenue, they will pay you well for that transformation, believe me. The market rewards results, not effort, not hard work. But let's say you have 0 skills right now. You're sitting there thinking, I don't know how to do anything valuable. I have no experience, nobody's gonna pay me. Here is what you do. You use remote contractors to deliver services you don't yet know how to fulfill yourself. This is the same business model that Airbnb, Amazon, and every other CEO in the world uses. You act as the connector. You find a client, you charge them, and you hire someone else to do the work. You pay them less than what you charged, and you keep the profit. This is business 101. You're not scamming anyone. You are providing a service, managing the relationship in the form of an agency, and you're ensuring the clients get what they paid for. That is real business. That's how business is scaled. You can't do everything yourself. And you also don't need to be the expert. You just need to connect the expert with the person who needs the solution. If you want to make more money, you need to become a producer instead of only being a consumer. Money flows to people who create value. Producers make money. Consumers spend money. If you spend most of your days playing games, binge watching shows, scrolling social media, watching other people live the life you want, you are a consumer. You're burning time that could be spent creating, selling, delivering value, running ads. The moment you rewire your identity and start seeing yourself as someone who produces instead of someone who simply consumes, everything changes. Your time becomes more valuable. Your decisions become more intentional. Your results start reflecting the effort you're putting in. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And look, I need you to understand something. The opportunities we have today are unlike anything in human history. There are teenagers making 6 figures a month online, young adults building profitable businesses from their bedrooms with no employees, no investors, no fancy degrees. The internet has removed almost every barrier to entry. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need connections. You don't need permission. You just need to start. But here's the problem. Most people won't. You'll watch this video, feel motivated for about 10 minutes, and then go right back to scrolling, consuming, waiting. You'll tell yourself you'll start next week, next month, when you have more time, when you feel more ready. And that's exactly why you're still in the same spot you were a year ago. So here's my challenge to you. Stop consuming and start building. You've watched enough videos, you've read enough tweets, you've consumed enough content about making money to know what you need to do. The information is out there, the opportunities are out there, and if you don't know what to do, work with a mentor to shortcut the process. Not knowing how to do something is not a valid excuse anymore. There are no valid excuses in 2026. The only thing missing is you actually taking consistent action. Commit to doing something for the next 30 days. Go all in. Do whatever it takes to make $10,000 in the next month. And look, it's not necessarily about reaching that $10,000 goal in 30 days. It's about the process of going for it that will change you completely. It's gonna force you to grow, to learn skills you don't have, to develop confidence, to stop making excuses. And even if you don't hit 10,000, you'll make more progress in 30 days than you have in the last year sitting on the sidelines. Every single day you wait is a day you're choosing to stay where you are. You can keep watching videos about success, or you can actually go build something. The choice is yours. But I'm telling you right now, 1 year from today, you're either gonna wish you started today, or you're gonna be grateful that you did. So what's it gonna be? If you want me to show you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my consulting business step by step, I made a free training that's going to reveal the only 3 keys you need to make this happen. The link is in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team. And we're gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can get your first customers ASAP. And it works even with limited time and money. Now be quick, we do have very limited spots for that. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.